wanted to ask myself something. I just wanted to ask something. Why does the president, the president of Uganda does not like us, the northerner? Why he does not like us, the northerner? Why? What have we done to him? What have we done to him? What did we do to you? Like, seriously, what did we do to you? What did we really do to you? What did the northerner do to you? That you're banned, you sworn in never to give them the life they want, never to give them access to anything. What did we do to you that you hate us a lot? What did we do to you that you don't like us a lot? You don't like us like any other tribes in Uganda? What did we do to you? What did we really do to you, the Acholi people? What did we do to you, the northern Uganda, the entire northern Uganda? What did we do to you? Did we do something wrong to you? If we did something wrong, please, we are begging you to come and tell us so that we can apologize. For us, new generation, we can apologize for what our ancestors did to you, or what the entire Acholi people did to you, or what the entire northern Uganda did to you. We need to know. Like, this is too much. The pain is too much in our hearts. We don't know. You are punishing us for what we don't know. You are punishing us for what we don't know. You intend to grab every single land in Acholi, in the northern Uganda. You are trying to destroy us every single day. You are revenging on us on what we really don't know. You are revenging on us. What did we do? Like, seriously, what did we do to you? What did we do to you? Please, what did we do to you? The entire region is full of poverty. The entire region has been taken for granted. Has been taken for granted. You bought all our leaders. You don't want them to say anything. You don't want them to fight for anything in northern Uganda. You have bought them. You have bought them completely. You don't want them to do anything to defend Acholi. You don't want. You don't want. What did we do to you? What did our ancestors do to you? Tell us so that we can apologize. We are ready to apologize. We are ready to apologize, but what did we do to you? What did we do to you? We are suffering. The northern Uganda people are suffering. Their land are being taken away. And you are aware of that. And you are the main reason why the lands are taken away. You are the main reason. We should not just fold our hands on our face, on our eyes that we're not seeing what is going on. You think we are dumb. We are not dumb. Like, we are not dumb. We are seeing. These are all you're doing.